Bitcoin trades above $64,000. Ether stays below $3,200. Less than 10% of stablecoin transaction volume coming from real users. Bitcoin mining revenue hits post-halving yearly low. Jack Dorsey leaves board of decentralized social network Blue Sky. South Korea stops shots of allowing crypto in updated donation laws. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VD markets staged a recovery over the weekend after the latest jobs data showed that the US labor market saw a notable slowdown in April, with hiring and wage growth slowing more than expectations. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, was trading above $65,000. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 2.5% at 82,140 points. Interestingly, the Bitcoin network has achieved a significant milestone by processing its 1 billionth transaction, marking a momentous occasion in the cryptocurrency's roughly 15-year history. The milestone was reached on May 5, 2023, marking the achievement of the milestone. However, the fourth halving event on April 20th of this year saw a jump in daily Bitcoin transactions, with a record high of 926,000 transactions executed on April 23rd. Much of this demand can be attributed to the launch of the Runes protocol, a new Bitcoin token standard at block 840,000. Meanwhile, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, the largest Bitcoin exchange-traded fund by assets, has reported its first net inflow since its launch in January 2024, snapping a 11-week streak with a positive gain of $63 million according to CoinGlass. This comes after the fund experienced $1.6 billion in outflows before the Bitcoin halving. GBTC is still the largest Bitcoin spot ETF with over $18.7 billion asset under management, coupled with about 297,000 Bitcoin. Despite a recent price decrease, there's been a spike in new user activity on the Ethereum network, sparking a wave of optimism. According to data from blockchain analytics company Sentiment, a record-breaking 267,000 Ethereum wallets were created on April 28th and 29th. This influx marks the highest two-day increase since October 2022 and suggests a potential resurgence of interest in the Ethereum network. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.41 trillion mark, increasing 2.6% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume decreased by 1% to $55 billion. Furthermore, DogeCoin's price has risen by 13% within 24 hours due to a surge in network activity, with 28,000 new addresses added in a single day, according to on-chain data analytics into the block. This surge in non-empty addresses indicates renewed interest in the DogeCoin community. According to a Messari report, the Polkadot blockchain system advanced significantly in the first quarter of the year in terms of market value and revenue. In Q4 2023, Polkadot's market capitalization increased by an impressive 111% on a quarter-over-quarter basis to $8.4 billion. Gaining more traction, the circulating market cap increased by 16% quarter-on-quarter in Q1 2024 to $12.7 billion. In other news, Sui, a scalability-focused blockchain, has outpaced Solana, a top 10 cryptocurrency network, in registered activity levels. On April 3rd, Sui registered over 41 million transactions, leaving Solana behind with 27.7 million completed. The overheating activity is due to Spam, a native token designed to stress test the network's capabilities. Moving on, American hedge fund Pantera Capital has invested in Telegram's blockchain initiative, the open network based on its connection to Telegram's over 900 million monthly active users. Pantera Capital believes Stun can introduce crypto to a large audience and establish the crypto space. US stock futures rose after a weaker than expected jobs report revived hopes of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates soon. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose 0.1%, S&P 500 futures were 0.1% higher, while Nasdaq 100 futures traded flat. Bitcoin was trading at $65,170, up 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2%, trading at $3,200. BNB was up by 1.8% to trade at $597. Solana SOL was up 7% and was trading at $155. Cardano's ADA token was up by 3% to trade at $0.47. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $39, higher 6.4%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 6.3% to trade at $0.77. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4.3% at $0.16. Shiba Inu was trading up by 3.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.54, up by 2.4%. Polkadot was up by 4.7% to trade at $7.4.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. Less than 10% of stablecoin transaction volumes are organic or come from real people, according to new findings by Visa and data platform Illumium Labs, Bloomberg reported. Out of about $2.2 trillion in total transactions in April, just $149 billion originated from organic payments activity, the report said. The analysis removed transactions done by bots and large-scale traders to isolate those made by real people. The stablecoin market supply currently stands at about $150 billion, with Tether and USD Coin dominating the market with shares of 75% and 22% respectively, broker Bernstein has said. Despite the discrepancy between total transfer volume and bot-adjusted transfer volume, the analysis found a steady growth of monthly active stablecoin users, with 27.5 million monthly active users across all chains. Earnings from Bitcoin mining dropped significantly in May as the effects of the fourth Bitcoin halving event set in. The Bitcoin halving mechanism was designed to increasingly limit the issuance of 21 million Bitcoin spread over decades. The April 20 halving reduced mining rewards to 3.125 BTC from 6.25 BTC. While initial hype around the halving and the launch of Bitcoin dunes temporarily sustained the miners' daily earnings, a strong revenue drop was recorded in May. On May 1, the total revenue earned from block rewards and transaction fees fell to a new low of $26.3 million. In contrast, Bitcoin miners earned roughly $6 million per day on average before the halving, according to data sourced from blockchain.com. All the other days in May also recorded similar revenue patterns, signaling a new normal in Bitcoin mining revenue. Coincidentally, mining revenue peaked on April 20, marking an all-time high daily earnings of over $107 million for the first time in Bitcoin history. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey has left Blue Sky's board, the decentralized social media platform he conceived and funded in 2019 when he was Twitter's CEO. Blue Sky confirmed Dorsey's exit in a May 5 post on the platform, writing that it was searching for a new board member and thanked Dorsey for his help in starting and funding the project. Hours earlier, Dorsey had responded with a curt no to someone on X asking if he was still on Blue Sky's board. Neither Blue Sky nor Dorsey explained why he decided to leave. Digital currencies have been excluded from newly amended donation legislation in South Korea, which could be a blow to the country's charities and donation drives. On May 5, local media outlet reported that Ministry of Public Administration stated that some amendments to South Korea's Donations Act have been filed but restrict the use of crypto assets for donations. Starting in July, those wishing to donate to charitable organizations or causes will be able to use various new methods such as department store gift vouchers, stocks and loyalty points from Korean internet giant Naver, but not crypto assets such as Bitcoin. The ministry did not provide reasoning for excluding digital asset donations despite their popularity in South Korea. However, the legislation is set to permit donations in local government-issued KRW-pegged stablecoins and blockchain-issued gift vouchers. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Friend.tech. Friend.tech, a decentralized social platform, has launched version 2 of its native token Friend, which saw its price rise to $169 after trading on Base. However, it quickly fell to $2.5 due to liquidity issues similar to the recent Renzo incident. The platform, which launched in August last year on Coinbase's Ethereum-based layer 2 blockchain Base, has a point system that rewards users users for engagement. The new Money Club feature will offer an exclusive space for financial discussion and networking. Friend.tech has locked in crypto assets worth $29.8 million at press time, which is a decrease from its peak of $52.04 million in early October. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. American hedge fund Pantera Capital has invested in Telegram's blockchain initiative, the Open Network, also known as DogeCoin, based on its connection to Telegram's over 900 million monthly active users. Pantera Capital believes Ton can introduce crypto to a large audience and establish the crypto space. Ton is the only social platform free from regulatory hurdles to incorporate Web3 for an open blockchain network. Ton supports multiple applications and its native token DogeCoin has surged by 12% over the last 24 hours. The hedge fund's senior investment associate Ryan Barney expressed confidence in Ton's potential to introduce crypto to the masses. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin's price has risen by 13% within 24 hours due to a surge in network activity, with 28,000 new addresses added in a single day, according to on-chain data analytics into the block. The surge in non-empty addresses indicates renewed interest in the DogeCoin community. Also, the price surge coincides with the general crypto market comeback following weaker than expected jobs data, with Bitcoin's rise leading to expectations that the worst of the fall may be over. Next on the list, we have Injective. Injective and Alt-Layer have partnered to improve Ethereum app service security architecture using Alt-Layer's MACH for restaking-based security mechanisms. This allows operators to restate Ethereum-based assets to back claims on the roll-up state. The MACH runs on the network of nodes, ensuring users are protected from malicious activities and easier to recall transactions. Developers can benefit from the speed, security, and scalability from MACH, enabling fast finality rollup services within in-EVM. Injective's in-EVM is designed for Web3 financial apps and facilities smart contract integration. Next on the list, we have Sui. Sui, a scalability-focused blockchain, has outpaced Solana, a top 10 cryptocurrency network in registered activity levels. On April 3rd, Sui registered over 41 million transactions, leaving Solana behind with 27.7 million completed. The overheating activity is due to Spam, a native token designed to stress test the network's capability. Spam rewards are equivalent to the participation of each user in the test, with participants with more than transactions receiving more spam. Throughout, during the stress test, rose to 863 transactions per second, setting at 650 transactions per second. Despite the increase in activity, the network operates normally, handling over 60 million daily transactions in a controlled load test in July.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.